Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with NK. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install any Python version of your choice regardless of your operating system. I'm presently running a Windows operating system, however this should work with any operating system of your choice. So I'll start by going to my browser. In my browser I'm going to type Python. So we've been presented with a Python download page. So if you look at this, you see we've been presented with the option to download the latest version for Windows, that is 3.12.2 as of the recording of this video. However, if you want any other Python version of your choice, what you have to do is to scroll down where it says looking for a specific release, yes. And so you have different options here. That's either we want Python 3.11.8, 0.12.2, there's so many versions here. So many versions, so many. So let's say you want Python 3.10.9. All you need to do is to click on download. You scroll down to where it says files and you choose your Windows installer, be it 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm going to choose 64-bit and my download has started and it's actually complete. That was fast. So I'll double click here. Now I've been presented with this option. I'll advise you to add Python to your path to avoid any complications later on and click on install now. So our download is complete and installation is successful. So what's our tip for the day? If you're on VScode, I'm going to show you how to select the Python version of your choice that you want. So I'm going to open VScode. Okay, now that we're in VScode, I'm going to show you how to choose the interpreter or the Python version of your choice. We'll start by typing Ctrl-Shift-P, then we're going to search interpreter. I've been presented with this option to select the interpreter for Python, or press enter, and you see automatically VScode recognizes that there's Python 3.10 and 3.12. So I'll just choose probably, let's say, 3.10. And so any Python file that I run now will be using the Python 3.10 version. Let me show you an example. In the terminal, I'm going to create a Python file. I'll say welcome.py. And in this file, I'm going to just print hello world. Hello world. Okay. And I'll come down to my terminal and run this. Say python welcome.py. Hello world. And if you look down here, you see that VScode is actually running on Python 3.10.9. Thank you for following up to the end of this video. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing so you won't miss any upcoming videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Have a good day.